Yo, I think I've got a pretty good beat going right now. Let me know what you think of it. It's kind of vibey. All right, we gotta increase this a little bit. We're gonna take up the volume like a tiny bit with the kick and the snare. I like to pair those together for some reason. We'll go like this. Like, it's honestly super impractical, but I'm gonna still do it. And then we're gonna increase the comp like a tiny bit and maybe change how this shit's going. Let's go sat. No. We need telephone. We need telephone because it kind of mutes it a little bit, makes it sound a little bit more live. All right, and then we'll go back with it. I want it to be a little bit of a wave, but it doesn't matter too much when it comes to a kick and a snare. So I think that'll be good. We'll see how that sounds. Yo, dude, I gotta increase that a little bit. Go up like a couple, like little tad measurements here. Here we go. Yo! Hey, 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 hey. Hey. I think it's coming together pretty well, man.